Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you the ways to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful. So to disable the two-factor authentication, you just have to follow the steps. First of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Paxful account. And when you're logged in, press the profile icon from the top right and go to settings from the drop-down menu. Next, you need to go ahead and select the security tab, and moving on, you'll be taken to this field where you'll be able to see this option as disable two-factor authentication. So before you disable it, you have to go through some criteria such as entering the password or giving valid reason for doing this. So you just have to go through it and click on the close or disable two-factor authentication. Enter in your password or a passcode. Only then you'll be able to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful. So by following the steps, you should be able to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.